halloumi fries and black pudding today. I just put this little grill piece on, but I don't need it because I got a frying pan. I'm at a place called Sand Point today. It's really rugged and it's ridiculously windy. I tried to find somewhere at the top to have a cook at, but it just wasn't going to happen, so I've come down. I'm in a car park at the moment. Luckily, oh, we're going, lovely job. Luckily, there's only the one car there, so it's really quiet. I wanted to cook this up on Sand Point, but there was no way it was going to happen. It was just far too windy. Got all creative. I made black pudding fries. Your cutting board's blown away. Anything that's not nailed down or hasn't got a weight on it, it blows away. I'm using my nice waterproof bag as a windbreak, and I'm kind of hoping he doesn't melt. We're currently having a bit of a race. Can I get this done before it rains? It's looking pretty miserable. Bit of extra butter for good luck. I did come out for a nice relaxing cook. The weather's turning really inclement. I think it might be raining. Oh, starting to get a bit of colour on that. It's a race against the rain. The idea of this was to get some nice crispy halloumi and some nice crunchy black pudding, and it's turned into a survival exercise and a race against time. This is one of those days where this is just not going to plan. What was meant to be a lovely day is turning out to be me looking like a dickhead getting soaking wet in a car park. But I want my halloumi fries. I've had to swap cameras over because the other one's not waterproof, so I'm not sure what the sound's going to be like with this one. There's a car in a car park. Unfortunately, it's not mine. I'm parked about a mile and a half that way. Doesn't matter what the weather's doing, we're going to stay calm and carry on. I think we're nearly there. Regardless of the weather, I came out for a day out and me lunch, and so I'm not giving up with it. Should we try a bit? I even bought out some garnish with me today. I was being all posh. I bought some parsley. What I think I'll do, just rip some bits up on there. That's what your top chefs do, you know. They present something and throw a bit of green on it. It makes it look spectacular. I don't look like a top chef cooking, I just look like a lunatic in a car park. This didn't turn out quite as I wanted it to, but considering the circumstances, I think I've done a reasonable job. In my opinion, halloumi, black pudding and parsley go together really well. Why not give it a try? Well, it's just started pouring with rain. I'm going to ram this down my neck and run. See you next time.